Solution of 12 gram of non-electrolyte A prepared by dissolving it in 1000 milliliter of water exerts the same osmotic pressure as that of 0.05 m glucose solution at the same temperature. The empirical formula of A is CH2O. The molecular mass of A is डैश ग्राम. A का molecular mass find out करना है. Let the osmotic pressure of A be PA and let the osmotic pressure of glucose be PB. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोला है क्वेश्चन में कि osmotic pressure of A and osmotic pressure of B they are same. अब osmotic pressure of A हो जाएगा N number of moles of A, Na which denotes the number of moles of A divided by volume of solution into R into T. अब number of moles of A कितना होगा? Number of moles of A होगा weight of A which is given as 12 gram divided by molecular weight of A. Molecular weight of A, let it be MA. Now 12 gram of solute is dissolved in 1000 milliliter of water. The volume of solvent है 1000 milliliter and in liters it will be 1 liter. The volume of solvent given है 1 liter. Now, since the amount of solute is very small in comparison to the solvent, we can assume that volume of solution is almost equal to the volume of solvent. So, volume of solution भी हो जाएगा equal to 1 liter. तो volume of solution हो जाएगा 1 liter. Now, osmotic pressure of glucose, which is denoted by Pb, is equal to number of moles of B, that is number of moles of glucose divided by volume of solution into R into T. अब इस क्वेश्चन में molarity of glucose given है 0.05 m. 0.05 m. अब इस m का मतलब क्या होता है? Now this m can also be written as 0.05 moles per liter. So this m is nothing but moles per liter. Means number of moles of glucose divided by volume of solution in liters is equal to 0.05. तो यहाँ पे NB by V इसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी. तो इसकी वैल्यू हो गई 0.05. ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर ऑफ A के लिए एक्सप्रेशन मिल गया, लेट इट बी 1. और ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर ऑफ B दैट इज ग्लूकोज के लिए एक्सप्रेशन मिल गया, लेट इट बी 2. Now 1 is equal to 2. This is given in the question. और we can say PA is equal to PB is given in the question. अब इनकी वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे तो PA की वैल्यू हो जाएगी, in place of Na we can write 12 divided by Ma. तो ये हो जाएगा 12 divided by Ma divided by volume of solution which we can write as into 1 by 1 into R into T, and this is equal to 0.05 into R into T. Now RT will get cancelled on both the sides. Solving Ma की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 240 ग्राम. तो मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ ए हो जाएगा 240 ग्राम.